Oh yeah!
Motherfucker!
Fuck the DMK!
I'm not gonna write no more! I'm just gonna flow! You fucking asshole!
FEL Talk.
Yeah! When's the beat gonna start? Turn on my fucking headphone! Turn on my headphone! Bitch! I thought the beat was gonna start! Oh my god!
It did.
This time? Okay, alright. Leave me alone! You bitch better fuck with us, you bitch better fuck with us, you bitch better fuck with us, cause I wanna fucking nigga up, fuck you up, dump you in my truck, fucking body buzz, jump in the moment with, I'll eat no touch, bitch, my hands are falling off, I can hear you, I have that no thought, yeah, all the packets are ready, man, I'm ready, going steady, yeah, Daniel, rap on this track while I go get the pancakes.
Yeah, man. Yeah. My pancakes are ready, and I'm about to eat them. I don't know, but I might just beat them with a hammer. And you know what's going down. I'm that dirty sound, where the Negroes claim clown, but their brains get blown out. Check it, He-Rod just did a very old heel flip, but I'm learning laser flipping, it's better than that shit, and I know that I ain't no damn counterfeit, I ain't a faker, I ain't a perpetrator, all I know is that I like Darth Vader, cause he's all black in that mask, and he's got a lightsaber, and he's red, man, I don't know, and the 210, and he's got a Slayer shirt, yeah, but I don't care, cause it's alright, tell me y'all, Anthony, there is no man, ski, Bron.
Dude, let me get on it. Can I? Dude, the pancakes are ready, but they're a little hot. Motherfucker, I'm trying to tell you niggas. I'm trying to tell ya. Dude, there's some syrup in the cabinet. You don't have to eat them dry. You're fucking weird, dude. Fucking, you can't swallow pills. And then you're eating pancakes dry. And they're steaming hot. You're eating the burnt one too. Why would you eat the good one? You're weird, dude. Hey, I want some pancakes. Put them in my face. I'll raise you out the smell and you won't have a trace. I got the taste of pancakes still in my motherfucking mouth. Like Daniel said, we're from that dirty 210 South, bitch. Don't try to fuck with us. I'll fucking pop you like a pimple. And then the blood will come out like the pus. Don't try to cuss. I'll say fuck shit, nigga, bitch. Motherfucker, relax. Who the fuck you fucking with? Fucking with DMK. All day I don't wanna stray. I don't wanna be so gay. But I just wanna play with some blocks and my glocks in the playground, in the sandbox. Motherfucker, try and talk. Wanna play with talk. I wanna play with chalk. Motherfucker, come over here so we can talk. Rendezvous with my shampoo. Man, I need to take a shower. It's 3, it's gonna be 4 o'clock and I still haven't even took a motherfucking shower. Motherfucker, I got the power like Austin Powers. Man, I got the power, and then I won't be a gentleman and buy you some stupid ass flowers. I'm a little coward. Nigga talking like Lil White. I sound real tight. I need a bite of those pancakes. Yeah, motherfucker, tryna hit you with my nut. Man, fuck, motherfucker, get bumped in the club. Bitch, motherfucker, I'ma hit you with my club. Not really, staying high off my personality. Yeah, I'm good saying that. Oh, dude, I'm done. Yeah, I wanna get to the pancakes. Yeah, I see a retard. What the fuck? Aunt Jemima. No. Yeah.
Ron. What's up, buddy?
Is it still going?
Yeah, it's just recording. Yeah, it's just Ron.
Hello.
almost
I
over,
miss you,
dude.
Jesse G. You're in Mexico. Mexico. Martinez, I want to bang you. I'm gonna bang you. I don't care what you say.
Dude, no, that's not true.
Dude, but I'm serious. The pancakes are ready. Syrup right there.
Ron.